Avoid damaging plumbing stub-outs when installing new subflooring by locating and protecting every pipe before you fasten a single panel. Start by mapping and marking each stub-out with bright paint and tape from both above and below the joist bay so you have clear reference points as you move panels. Dry fit your subfloor panels and hold them in place while you confirm pipe positions, then transfer marks onto the panel edges and surface so cuts are precise. When a pipe sits inside a panel field, cut a clearance hole at least 1/4 inch larger than the pipe diameter to account for movement and thermal expansion, and seal that gap with a compressible foam gasket or plumber's putty to keep debris out. For pipes that require edge clearance, route, or notch the panel only enough to clear the pipe while preserving bearing on supporting joists, and avoid cutting more than 30% of a joist face when notching, which can weaken the structure. Use a backer board or scrap wood clamped under the cut to prevent tear out when sawing, and use a jigsaw with a fine blade or a hole saw for clean openings around copper or plastic piping. Finally, temporarily brace exposed stub-outs with a block of wood or an adjustable pipe support to keep them from being levered or crushed while panels are being moved and fastened. Homeowners often fail to mark both sides of the floor so a pipe gets missed while panels are shifted. Mark above and below and dry fit panels to avoid that. Installers sometimes overcut notches or route too deep into joists, which reduces strength. Measure twice and cut minimally, and if you must remove more than 1/4 of a joist depth, add a reinforcement plate or sister a joist. Another common issue is leaving gaps around pipes unsealed so dust and moisture enter the bay. Use compressible gaskets or sealants and a scrap ring to bridge any large gaps before finishing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors another way to find work related to subfloor and plumbing tasks. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post real projects and experiences.